tri-people. Mayroong Moro, mayroong Christians, Christian settlers, at mayroong IB. Ibig sabihin, tayo dito sa Bangsamoro ay nagkakaisa. Its melody carrying the wisdom of generations and the aspirations of our people. Our artisans are empowered. Our heritage remains the foundation upon which we build peace and prosperity. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our endeavors and guide us in our mission to uphold the legacy of the Bangsamoro people. Isang paraan ito na mapapanatili natin ang ating mga nakaraang mga kaugalian na inintroduce sa atin ng ating mga ninuno.